Hey, my name's Scottie, and in this video we are going to sketch from this reference of a girl holding a dog with just one line. So we're going to be sketching in a really loose and relaxed way without worrying about making mistakes. So for me, doing these kind of exercises really helps my other art from becoming too rigid. So if you'd like to follow along, grab a pen or pencil and let's sketch. If you had a go at sketching this reference, tag me on Instagram so I can check it out. Okay, see you next time.